Hello everyone and welcome back to TechAbro. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today we're going to be looking at on how you can leave a Discord server. Now, it is going to be different if you are the server owner. As you can see over here, it's written report raid. If I go to another server over here, as you can see, leave server. So make sure if it's your own server, you can't really leave it unless you transfer the ownership to someone else. So just keep that in mind. So as I just showed you guys, click on the server name, or if you want, you can right click on their name from the left side of this bar. As you can see, I can also right click on any servers I want, right click on the name, and then just press on leave server. It's gonna give you another prompt like, are you sure you want to leave server? Yes, I'm sure. And then click on leave server, and that's about it. You can report it, but you don't really have to, and that's gonna be it. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.